Here we are on number 10 fairway of the member course, and just an interesting observation that we see every year when we start deep tine aerifying to a 6-inch depth. When you start analyzing the cores, is that you get varying soil types, from hole to hole, and then even from 5 to 10 foot stretches apart from each other. And you can kind of see here on some of the cores that we've pulled, some of this white area here is a soil that's very silty and just breaks apart really easy. It's a very fine soil. And then you can come over a few more feet, get to an area with some pretty heavy clays, as hard as a brick. You can't really break it apart any further. And then you can come over to some other areas and find some soil that's very loamy in nature. So the observation is interesting because when many people view a golf course or a hole, all they see is the grass and whether it's dry or wet, but they don't really see the soil structure. So understanding and knowing the soil structure from hole to hole can help a superintendent know how much water a different hole needs compared to another, if there's any additional fertility needs, because going from a sandy soil to a silty to a clay to a loam all have different properties that you got to be mindful of. So understanding and knowing those properties will help you produce consistency from hole to hole.